I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking the tracker and a charged battery and insert an activated data SIM. This is essential because the device needs power and network to report. Once done, pick the mounting spot. Under the seat is common for concealment and signal. Make sure you have basic tools and a multimeter to test wires. You should also remove the bike battery if you plan direct wiring to avoid shorts. Now prepare the wires and note the bike's positive and negative terminals. You now make the electrical connection. Identify the battery plus 12V and ground points and verify voltage with the multimeter. If you want ignition-based tracking, tap into the fused ignition feed. Otherwise, use a constant 12V line and add an inline fuse for safety. Strip and crimp connections, apply dielectric grease, and insulate with heat shrink or tape. Once wired, route the antenna so it faces outward with minimal metal nearby. Then firmly zip tie the tracker and wires. To prevent, you finish by reinstalling the bike battery and powering the tracker. Watch for the network LED or app confirmation to ensure registration. Next, send the activation SMS or complete pairing in the tracker app, then perform a live location test and walk around to verify accuracy and geofence alerts. Once satisfied, secure and seal the mount with weatherproof tape and replace panels. Troubleshooting tip: if no fix or location, double-check the inline fuse and SIM signal strength first, then retest wiring connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.